Hello, the benefits of ginger. Ginger is a tropical plant that's relatively easy to grow in a lot of different settings. Ginger is a root plant that has been used for thousands of years by many different cultures. Now let's get to the benefits of ginger. Ginger has a lot of benefits that can be used for a variety of ailments and diseases. And one of the top elements is anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. So a lot of times our society has inundated us with medications and diseases that causes our body to be inflamed. Ginger can help with lots of diseases such as respiratory and hypertension type diseases. Ginger could also help with basic things like nausea and vomiting. A lot of times people feel nausea and vomiting during pregnancy or during certain procedure. Ginger has been used to help with nausea as well as vomiting. Motion sickness. If you have issues with bloating or gas, ginger helps with digestive health. Pain relief. Ginger has been known to decrease pain in the body and the muscles. It decreases soreness by using an alternate pathway for pain, as well as menstrual cycles. It helps with relieving menstrual ailments and aches. Key takeaways with ginger is it reduces blood sugar and blood pressure, fights fungal infection, and it improves your brain function for overall wellness. So, risk of ginger. A lot of times alternative medications and spices do have risk, although the risks are not a large risk. They are still a risk. So here are some of the risks for ginger. Abdominal discomfort. If you have heartburn issues or have issues with GERD, ginger might not help that. It does cause heartburn. It can cause diarrhea if consumed in large amounts, as well as throat and mouth irritation, because ginger is it's a little spicy. It has a kick to it. How to use ginger to better your health. You can use it in teas. You can put it in your food and spice it up with ginger, and along with other spices. You can juice it and drink the juice of the ginger. You can also add it in water and chop it up, put it in water, and make it into like an infusion. However you decide to use it, if you do use it, you will definitely see the effects of it. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.